Welcome. I know this is definitely a completely different setup than what we're used to on this channel. Honestly, I don't even know what's my setup on this channel, but never mind that. So for today's video, if you can't tell, since we're standing right next to these babies right here, we're gonna be trying to organize my makeup collection or my drawers. I don't know. Today I went to TJ Maxx and Target and I bought a bunch of drawer organizers. I really don't know how well this is gonna go. I tried to have a vision in mind of what exactly I wanted to do, but that doesn't usually turn out the way I planned. So we're just gonna see how it goes. And if I probably don't have every single organizer out there. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be able to fill all of the drawers and organize them perfectly, but we're gonna try. For now, we're just gonna be trying to work with what we have. Okay. I know this is kind of weird. I look insane. Okay, please don't mind everything. Don't mind how it looked. Don't mind how my face looks, because it's the end of the day. It's 9:30 right now, and I'm starting to film this because I was kind of excited. I really wanted to do this, so I'm just gonna see how this goes. Basically, this is the first drawer. This has my primers and my powders. I honestly don't know what else I could put in this drawer. I like to organize my drawers according to, the steps, my makeup application steps. For this drawer, I think I'm gonna, if this is gonna fit or not. Let's just test this out first. How are we even supposed to remove this? I don't even know. Don't even know. So I can't get this off. For some reason it's glued really, really hard. So for the sake of this video, we're just gonna leave it for now. So pretend like it doesn't exist, please, because it's annoying. So we're just gonna put it the opposite way so we don't see it that much. I mean, we're still seeing it, but whatever. So I think what I'm gonna start off with, the longer primers. I'm just gonna put them here, lay them down. The next side, we're just gonna put the more normal bottle type. I really don't have an explanation for anything that I'm doing. We're just going with it, seeing where anything fits and just putting it in there. I just fit all my primers in these two sections, and I think for powders, I'm just gonna take them out of this old bin that I had them in and just try to fit them all here. And then I have this e.l.f. primer. I think I'm just gonna put this right here because I don't think it has any place. So yeah. So yeah, I think this is how we're just gonna organize this drawer. I mean, it's not perfectly organized or anything, but to me it just feels like it's more organized somehow. I have my primers here and my powders here, whatever. Moving on to the second drawer. At first I wanted to put my foundations here because, I mean, usually you use your primers and then your foundation and blah blah blah. But since I want to have my foundation standing up, I don't think I'm going to put them here. I think I'm just going to go with bronzers, blushes, and highlighters, and then foundations. So basically the bronzers I really don't need to do anything to, because this tray actually used to hold all my bronzers, my blushes, and highlighters. So I used to put them all in a way to, I used to fit them in a different way, but then I just decided to lay everything flat like that so I could see my products easily and just reach my products more efficiently and easily. So these two don't fit anywhere, and these are cream bronzers, so I like to keep my cream I try to separate them as much as possible, but it was kind of impossible because I had this fancy bronzer that I was gonna keep here, but then I decided to just keep it next to its OG powder one. It's all a mess. We're trying to figure this out as much as we possibly can. I know it's kind of crazy, it's going everywhere, but this is what we're working with. Okay, move on to the next, which currently is a mess. This holds all of my foundations. I know it looks horrible right now. I know, but we're just gonna try to move everything around. So for this drawer, I'm gonna take all the foundations out because, as I mentioned, I'm gonna put them in a different drawer. Oh, finally, the drawer is empty. I'm just gonna put that, and we're gonna move products from my blush drawer to my new blush drawer. So I'll just remove the more circular ones. Okay, so what I did for this drawer is put all my powder blushes on that side in the divided sections and put my creams in this long section that's just open. So these are all my cream blushes. Moving on to that drawer, which is now going to be my highlighter drawer. My highlighters used to stay here, but we're moving them to here. That's how it's gonna go. It's good that we still have some space. Like at the back, like the back drawer of this organizer, as you can see, it's like empty. I can basically just like fit more highlighters here, which is good. Even the cream side has a lot of space, so I don't even know if I want to like leave them here because I feel like I'm wasting a lot of space. I don't know. Now that we emptied the old highlighter drawer, take out everything that I had in this face palette drawer and just move all of them here. And I think I'll just have the same layout because I don't mind having them laid out like that, honestly. So yeah, this is it. I think this is all of my face palette drawer. Let's start the process. We just organized everything and thankfully we have some space. Wish I could put these here as well, but I mean, they don't fit. So we're just gonna have to work with that. I tried to organize my eyeshadow palettes by dividing them into 2 drawers. That didn't really work out as well as I thought it would. I mean, we will continue to divide them onto 2 drawers, but as you can see, it's a mess. All these like frosted acrylic, not acrylic, I mean these frosted plastic container organizers thing from Target. This was like $1. This was literally for $1, and these were for $4. So I got a bunch of them. I got a lot. I got like 14 items. I got 4 of these and like 10 of these because I had like some ideas for this. I don't know like how to organize this right now. There was an idea to kind of like arrange them like that. Maybe no, it's not gonna work. Maybe like arrange them like that, I guess, and like have palettes here and have palettes here. We're not. I don't know. We're just gonna try everything and we're gonna see what's gonna work and what's not gonna work. I'd love to put all my Anastasia palettes like next to each other, so maybe I'll put them right here. I have this Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault. I think I'll just put that at the back. I don't really use it that often, and I'm so close to decluttering it, so I'm gonna throw that at the back right now. I think I'll move this to my single shadows drawer because it's technically a single shadows palette, so put that over there. That's everything. It actually looks kind of nice. I have the Morphe James Charles palette. I have no idea where to put it. I use this palette like crazy. Anyways, my only issue with this palette is like it doesn't fit except while laying down. I don't think it fits this way. Yeah, it does. I think I'm just gonna leave it right like that. I think I'll just move that to the back as well because if I want to use it, I'll pick it up. But for now, since we're trying to make everything work, start off by the 3 palettes that are similar to my Anastasia collection, which are my Huda Beauty palettes that I'm gonna put right here. I think I'll put the Urban Decay Born to Run palette next to them because it's gonna fit in there like that. Would be the palette would be laid down in front. I'm not really like in love with how this palette how this drawer looks. I think this one definitely looks more organized and prettier, but whatever, this is gonna work for now. And this has absolutely nothing. This was gonna have my, I think, backups or my FX makeup. I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna put here, but yeah, we're done with this side. Let's move on to the other side of the drawer. Okay, now we're starting over to the other side of my the other drawers, set of drawers. This one we have my eyeliners or like colorful liners or whatever. So we're just gonna clean this up a bit. Yeah, I think that's this section. I don't know, that didn't take time at all. To my single shadows and glitters, all that. I just put the palette that we removed from the other side here. Oh, we removed it finally. If you're wondering how much this was, it was for $6.99 at TJ Maxx. There we go. My mascaras, eyebrows, and eye primer drawer. It's everything. I also put with my eye primers my lash glues because I feel like it fits in this drawer more rather than having them disappear into my eyelashes drawer. So yeah guys, that completes this video. This has taken me a while, like, to organize everything. It's exhausting, and I feel like I need to drink a lot of water because I feel like I've been talking for forever. Not even talking that much. I don't know. You're probably wondering where are my lipsticks, because we haven't organized my lipsticks, and that's because I already have them in this like acrylic drawer organizer. I don't know. I think you saw it at the beginning of this video. It was on top of my first set of drawers. I already have my lipsticks there, so that wasn't the issue. The issue was with everything else. Everything else was a mess. And the next thing that we're gonna have to organize is my desk. It's still a mess. I don't know why, for some reason, I cannot keep this organized. It just does not. I can't even talk. It just does not want to stay organized for the life of me. I don't even know what to do. Got any suggestions, like, leave them down below because I really don't know what to do. In one of these drawers I have my skincare, but I didn't really show it on camera because most of the second set of drawers is still empty. Like, I'm still trying to figure out like where to put everything and to organize it with like the rest of the stuff. Pretty sure one of the drawers I'm gonna put my setting sprays, but right now I'll just leave them on top of the dressers. Not the dressers, on top of the chest drawers or whatever, the Alex drawers anyways. And yeah, I still don't have a specific place for them, but I don't know. I don't know. My answer to everything right now is just, I don't know. Send help, please. Oh yeah, but yeah, that just completes everything, I guess. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, or makeup, or lifestyle, or cooking, or whatever. I put out anything and everything. I don't have a specific vibe to my channel. I really just want to do whatever I feel like doing. So if you're into that kind of content, then please subscribe down below. Join the fam. You know? One big happy family. We're trying to grow. But anyways, moving on, because I'm gonna start rambling on and on and on and on about anything and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!